Hello from Spain. We are happy
one
to
moment,
be
please.
here.
We have some problems with the energy here and the sound. Philip, please sit down.
Ah, sehr gut. I come in ja schon.
Yes, we can hear you perfectly. We ask you to explain in details the activities.
I will start now. Welcome to the next video conference. In cooperation with Polish students, we built a robot. It was the most important activity last year. We used a lot of new programs. Some of these programs are used in embedded devices. Now it is necessary to talk about the foundation of our city. So, hello Carmen.
Rio Tinto or Red River is a river located in Huelva, Spain. It originates in the Sierra Morena mountain of Andalusia. The river has been mined for copper, silver, gold, and other minerals.
Last school year, we developed our project and we finished with Mars exploration. We had a Skype video conference during which we were steering our robot with the use of smartphone. Mars exploration has been completed. This school year, we continue our mission on the Mars. Our robot has been sent to the planet Mars and has found a place for the new settlement. German students will explain it in detail.
First, we explored the area around our spacecraft for regular space traffic and communication. We were looking for the best place. We sent a map problem to Poland to find this place. With their solution, we found the best place for our communication center. Our spacecrafts were now able to approach to land automatically.
We were looking for the best position, the transmitting station on the Mars. German students prepared a math task for us and we gave solution. We prepared a video message and published.
Our solution was okay. You solved the task very well. We are going to prepare the next math task for you for the Spanish students. This will be the damage of one important antenna in our communication center. During a storm, this antenna will be replaced by a satellite dish. We will need the height of the tower or the
Rio Tinto or Red River is a river located in Huelva, Spain. It originates in the Sierra Morena mountains of Andalusia. The river has been mined for copper, silver, gold, and other minerals. There is also
Now we are building the new settlement on the Mars. Team 6 made a video about a digger. We commented it and explained the work which is done by the digger. The digger is used to bring all the rocks and dust to a band coaster.
Like Nathan Spanish astrobiologist, we are researching the thermophile aerobic bacteria that dwell in the river. These forms are considered the likely cause of the high acid content of the water. The subsurface rocks on the river bed contain
in the presentations and we are happy with the results. We would also like to mention about the robotics in different kinds of work. We have a debate about the possible society on Mars. We are thinking of inhabitants who live with robots at their houses, at work. So, we are interviewing our families to talk about the use of ITC, Information Communication Technology, and robots in their daily life. First of all, our teams make up scripts together. Then, we send them to our teachers by email to be corrected, and finally, we record our families by our mobile phones to be recording and publicity.
We are making radio podcasts to be broadcast on the radio of our high school. We are interviewing our families, other students, and people in general who use ICT in their business or jobs about which software do they use and what for.
We are making animation movies, comics about the cyber town which will be created on the Mars. We brainstorm ideas about life on the Mars by mapping discussions.
We know high
We are building the new settlement with the machines we built with Lego Mindstorm Education. We built the crane, lift, hovercraft and windmill.
Our crane is a special crane. It has got many features which make life easier for our town on Mars. It is massive and strong. It is used to lift heavy things. It is also used for making all kinds of bridges, houses, skyscrapers and other buildings. It is very useful for people in our little town, and people are very happy of having this nice invention.
The lift. This is one of the most important parts of our ecological town on the Mars. It has been used to build the town. It also helps the residents of the town in their everyday activities. It can work even a few hours without any stop. The basis for the work is wind, which drives very big propellers. It generates energy which is needed to run a propulsion system. The lift can work thanks to them. The most important thing, energy is renewable.
The windmill built by us is very important on the planet Mars. It's a huge construction and has 6 massive wings. It uses the Mars wind to produce electricity. It generates energy for every inhabitant of our town created on Mars. It also powers each machine. Without the windmill we could not live normally.
Hovercraft. It is a craft capable of traveling over land, water, mud or ice and other surfaces both at speed and when stationary. It functions on the Mars. Military. It can improve our safety.
To create an online brainstorming session, for example, a storm or similar. It will be a great way to brainstorm and well as a great ideas about our virtual city, society, related or environmental education. A fair society with their own economy, money, banks, financial system, etc. A European virtual city where there isn't any unemployment.
We will work to build a better society where people are paid. Police and agree with words. German and English language are used to do a good business.
We are working about exploring Mars, virtual society, inhabitants, robots, etc. in GoAnimate videos. We are also making up comics about how humans being customs, people, and robots should behave, their personality, their physical description, their hobbies, customs, virtual pets, virtual house, how we should build a virtual house.
All the time we write our comments on blogs. We also use Pupils Corner. TwinSpace is a very suitable for combination. Thank you for all the comments. Let's keep working in this way.
The way to find life on Mars, as Carlo and Miguel described, sounds interesting. Hope we will hear more in the near future. As the next step, we are planning to build a robot bulldozer and solve some mathematical problems, depending inclination on percentage. Future, we will find out how much energy we will get by windmills. Hope the Polish team can help us. Another group is building houses for our Mars project.
We suggest making up videos about different kinds of robots to use on Mars, recycling robots, robots for cleaning, robots which help disabled people, robots for cleaning our pollution in the air and the fuel of ships in our sea. robots which play music, drove over by surgeons, personal robots which help us in our
We want
household.
to prepare a huge model of the planet Mars. We will create streets and buildings there and form of settlement, our settlement. We will imitate life on the planet.
As the modern society constantly changes and lives in a fast pace, the way of acquiring knowledge will also have to change. We need to learn more quickly and efficiently. But how to do it? We need to get to know about new methods of remembering things, new techniques of acquiring new information. We suggest organizing special workshops or lectures with professionals to teach us extraordinary manners of knowledge.
We are happy to work in this project, Cyber Discovery. I have some students interviewing real people about the use of software and ICT in their businesses. And we have also a podcast for our radio in our high school.
Hello, we already know every one of you and we chat with you. We cooperate in the international group.
Let us talk a little bit later by ourselves. We have still trouble here, and some of our pupil has to go to the next lesson. And so I think we will stop at this point. And so I say, let's keep in touch and say bye-bye.
Yeah, we understand that you have to leave. We have to leave too. However, we would like to tell you that we are going to continue our work with Lego Mindstorm Education, and we are going to buy another set of Lego, the new set, and we are going to build some new things in our Mars city. And we will follow your instructions over. So I hope our cooperation will be